Hello, everybody. Good afternoon. Today's a trade recap of 8/12/25. So let's get right into it. So the first thing I noticed was we created one of these balls right here. So this is like a ball. And right here we had another ball. And usually when you have this balls pattern, that's what you can target here. So for the next, all right. uh, First thing I did is marked out the draws on liquidity and mark out different sessions. So we have 6 p.m. and 3 a.m. right here. So we have this kind of minor buy side, and then we had this from previous day. So let's mark out all of these highs. We have a high here. We had a high here. And we had a high here. And we have lows here, here, and here. And we had this order block, this one right here, this down move. So this down move here is our order block. Make that blue, purple, order block. And this at the 8 a.m. candle, we had, I think, CPI news. So yeah, we just swept out this here. And I was like, oh shit, that's crazy. 8 o'clock hits right here, 8:30. Let's mark out New York Open as well at 9:30. So immediately we just take out these highs instantly. And we take out this, create this order block here. And I'll show you exactly what I did. Middle line. So we create kind of this liquidity sweep or Judas swing. And we take out all of this here. And I knew CPI news. I was like, oh, looks like a false move, a false action to take out all this minor buy side and major buy side here. We have this. Now this became the major buy side here. And we created a fair value gap. We started creating like this downwards fair value gap on the 15-minute. So a lot of people will say like, oh, it's retracing into this fair value gap. You'd be right, it is. It did retrace into this fair value gap, especially if you look at like the hourly. Let's see, nothing, never mind. But what I saw was on the 5-minute today. So on the 5-minute today, we see we come up, we started creating fair value gaps. We come up once more and take out this buy side here. And that's when we inversed this fair value gap. So this was the 930 fair value gap. You don't want to use that, right? Because it's the 930. But we break it on this move here. So we break it here, but we didn't form a fair value gap yet. We just broke structure to the downside, or we didn't even break structure. We just broke this fair value gap, inversed it. But it was at this candle when I realized, okay, now we're heading down. I don't know if we're going to take out this liquidity here because we already took out buy side here. So since we took out buy side already, it's not probable that we're going to take out also sell side at the same time. Taking buy side and sell side major buy side and major sell side is a little unlikely, at least what I've seen in my trading. But once we break structure here, this fair value gap inversed it, then we break structure here and displace down into it, creating another fair value gap. We retrace into this fair value gap, and that's when I go to the 1-minute here. On the 1-minute time frame, we have this fair value gap here, this fair value gap here. So here, fair value gap retraces into it, comes down, another fair value gap, retraces into it right here at the exact consequent encouragement of this fair value gap right here. wicks above it, doesn't spend much time. That's exactly what I wanted to see. It comes up, nicks into the premium of this PD or of this sell side imbalance here, right into the premium of it. That's when I buy, or that's when I sell. I sell here, and I targeted the consequent encouragement of this order block here, because that was the next, that's like the easiest target to hit. We already broke this fair value gap, and so the next target was the order block. And that's exactly what we did. We hit the order block, we wicked into it, and then we moved up to take this major buy side because it took out the minor buy side, becomes major buy side, and it takes it. But I stopped trading after I got my big move. This was 600 to 6, was it 625 to 525? So that's a $100 move right here. Beautiful move. Yeah, so that's the trade recap, and I think that's all I saw today. Besides, after rallying up because it's the order block, it's gonna go up higher. But yeah, so that's another way you can tell when these fair value gaps, are they going to be respected or are they going to be disrespected? This one was disrespected right here, and we wicked into this small one right here, and we kind of closed out of here, but we had this small one here. I was paying attention to the order block though, at least on the hourly, that order block. And yeah, that's the trade for the day.